You have the ability to search for existing item templates by entering their template number and clicking on Retrieve, or using the lookup in the upper right. We are going to create a new template. I'm going to click on New. Then we need to give it a description. I'm just going to call it Sample Template. Then we have Template Type. Item templates are used to create a template of items that can be copied to an item request, purchase order, physical count worksheet, supplies used, or preference cards. When building the template, you want to associate it with where it's going to be used. That is the template type. Department is an optional field, but it can be used for filtering and reporting. The department list can be built under Administration, Code Table Maintenance, and Inventory Department. Then all you have to do is pull up the supplies that are part of the template. You can also group the supplies so they will show up in the appropriate groups when copied into preference cards or supplies used. The grouping can be built under Administration, Code Table Maintenance, Physician Preference Card Grouping. Keep in mind, this table is shared for preference card grouping, so if someone else is responsible for building preference cards, make sure you work together to build this table. Once you have all of your items selected in the template, click Save, and that's it. You'll see we have a section to load items from template. I'm going to select my sample template and click on Load Items. And voila! All items from my template are listed on my request. This is a great tool for frequent ordering of same items, weekly orders, etc. Now let's talk about the Utilities section. This is a very helpful tool to make global changes to templates without having to edit each individual one when you need to make an across-the-board change. You can add, delete, or replace items on a template based on your selected filters. If you leave the filters blank, it will do for all. For my example, I'm going to replace one of the sutures with another. Click on Replace, then select the item you want to replace. Select the item you'll be using to replace. Enter quantity, and in this example, I only want to edit all templates that are type item request. Click on Refresh to update the template list. Then I'm going to move all templates to the right side so it will affect all of them, and click on Update. Now when I open my sample template, we can see the suture has been replaced.